Hey guys, welcome to my channel at Artist Girl. Today I want to introduce you Zeps' new concentrated industrial purple degreaser product, which is 25% stronger than the previous product that I've used on my previous video on an engine block, and it worked amazing. This time we're going to use it on my 1987 C10 steering shaft, which has oil and grease from probably 1987. And we're also going to be using this industrial professional sprayer provided by Zeps. It's very important to keep in mind, do not use unpainted surfaces, chrome, aluminum, brass, or any other sensitive surface, as it could cause real damage. So for heavy soils, we're going to dilute 20 ounces per gallon of water. And for light soils, you're going to dilute 5 fluid ounces per gallon of water. Let's get started. So we're gonna spray it, wait 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, I like to use scotch because it's a little rougher. And it works faster than a microfiber towel. Now we're just gonna wash it off a little bit. And woo la la. Amazing. Well, there you go. You just saw the great results from Zeps' new product. Concentrated industrial purple degreaser, 25% stronger. Don't forget to follow them on Instagram at ZepUSA, and you could grab yours at your local home store. Thanks for watching.